This property is completely gated with an electric gate for entry. Large granite trees are surrounded by concrete seating. Relax in the shade and enjoy a healthy, tasty snack. Just through the gateway is this huge courtyard. The ocean is in the background. This side of the duplex has 2 levels. A den, bathroom, kitchen, and living room dining room combination on the entry level and 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a balcony on the upper level. The stairs descend from the parking area to a courtyard in front of the building that stretches around the side of the home to a large patio. The den or office can be accessed by this exterior door, or it could be used as a 3rd bedroom if furnished with an armoire. From the elevation of the parking lot to the ocean view at the back of the home. This huge deck is just outside the kitchen, dining room, living room area. You could make this your second dining and living room and enjoy the scenery at the same time. There is a closet for storage under the stairs and this lovely stainless railing on the stairwell. As you enter from the balcony on the side into the back of the home, you are greeted by white cabinets with black onyx granite countertops with splashes of gold. The kitchen enjoys the cabinets from this side. The other side is a breakfast bar ready for your high-boy stools. The onyx granite is the backsplash to the sideboard, which provides lots of extra storage space. Windows with ocean views surround this dining living room area just off of the kitchen. Cedar beam ceilings top it all off. The far side of this room. Photos are stitched together to show the windows are on 3 of the walls or a wrapping view and lots of light. Add your own touches to personalize this beautiful kitchen. There are 3 different lighting levels in the kitchen. Recessed, pendant and bar lighting. Create a mood or make sure you see everything while prepping food. Bottom freezer and side-by-side fridge. Nice details everywhere. Three-quarters of the kitchen in one panning shot. There is a full bathroom on both levels in this home. This is the downstairs bathroom. From the top of the stairwell looking down to the entry level. The perfect chandelier and a cozy window out to the courtyard help to illuminate the stairwell. Overlooking the courtyard and entry.